kept up off the line though. Alright, going up against the RS5 here that's modified a bit, tuned, and I'm told it's a little over 600 horsepower maybe. So I'm about 250 horsepower less than this guy, so the only way I'm going to have a chance is if I outdrive him, but who knows. We'll see, he might be good. Put me on the outside against everybody.
So we'll see here as Justin lines up against Josh in Mustang and Audi.
Put me on the outside of absolutely fucking everything. The guy's got twice my fucking power.